Hey, Coach Greg here, it's about training. Do you have a couple minutes and you want to burn some fat and some calories? Then I have a perfect standing cardio workout for you. This is only gonna take a couple minutes. So maybe you're in a lunch break, maybe you have some downtime, whatever it is. Let's get our sweat on and have a great time doing it. We're gonna start off with some front jacks. Stand up nice and tall. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go. So a normal jumping jack, you're up like this, but maybe you have some shoulder impingements, whatever it is. We're just gonna focus on bring our arms out in front of us, just like this. Now, if even this may be a little too difficult for you, feel free to just step out to the side, just like that. Whatever variation you want. The whole goal is we just wanna move our body. Make sure you're breathing. Don't worry, we will have time for some water breaks. So do not fear. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job, moving right along. We have some knee hugs. Stand up nice and tall, core tight, back flat. We're gonna focus on driving our knee up, and we are going to try to hug it. All we're doing is, you can actually grab it if you'd like, but the goal is we just wanna, boom, drive that knee just like this. 30 seconds, and let's do it. So again, drive that knee up as high as you can, and then come to embrace it. So love the world, love yourself. Love the world, love yourself. Just like this. Bring that knee up as high as you can. You don't have to add a crunch in there. The goal is just to focus on the knee, but sometimes being able to reach in also helps. And go at your own pace. You don't have to go as fast as I am. You can go faster, you can go slow, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can take your time, really make sure each one has some intention behind it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake it out. We're gonna give our legs a rest for a second. We're gonna focus on this chest and back squeeze. All it is, we're just gonna focus on fingertips right in front of us, reaching, squeeze with your chest. Then we're gonna bring our arms back. We wanna pretend there's like a pencil or walnut between our shoulder blades that we are trying to squeeze and break. So this is the chest and back squeeze. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you're here, boom. Feel the shoulder blades come together, bam. You want to keep a constant tension, because if you're just flailing your arms like this, you're not a seal. Come on, really reach forward, almost becomes an isometric squeeze as well. Bam, you're gonna feel it in your back, you're gonna feel it in your chest. A couple more seconds, and your arm's gonna start to get heavy as gravity takes hold. You're doing great. I like to have a slight bend in my knees as well, really brace with my core. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, great job. Shake out your arms. Now we're gonna give our arms a break. We're gonna finish off with some alternating lateral lunges. I like to get myself in a wide stance. All we're doing is focusing on sitting as if there's a chair behind us on either side. Just like that, 30 seconds, and here we go. Stand tall, and bam, just sit right on back. Come on up, just like this. Make sure your core is tight, back is flat. Don't try to round out this way or be too far. Adjust your feet however you feel comfortable with. Some people like to have their that straight leg right on the front. Other people have to turn it over. Whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is just to really sit on down. Get yourself a nice cadence, nice rhythm going. This is a cardio workout after all. We want to get our heart rate up. There you go. Let's do one more each side, and done. There you have it, 4 exercises. Set 1, done and dusted. Let's grab some water and let's get started with set number 2. All right, you know what you're doing now. Let's do it. Let's get it done. Turn the music up, starting right now. Front jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee hugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest and back squeeze in 3, 2, 1, go. Alternating lateral lunges in 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. One more to go. You know the deal, grab some water. We're gonna finish strong, baby. Knee hugs, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest and back squeeze in 3, 2, 1, go. Alternating lateral lunges in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, that was your standing cardio workout to burn some calories, and boy, did we burn some calories. Hope you loved it as much as I did. Give yourself one of these and one of these, because you earned it. Hopefully, you can now go tackle your day. You feel amped up, you feel ready to go, because I know I do. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. We got so many content, recipes, workout videos from Coach Mayer, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg. That is me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.